Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back to the channel. So guys, today I have this citrus juicer. So I've been trying to buy a juicer, but the ones I've been seeing lately, the prices are not giving. They are so expensive right now. I think that's because of the exchange rate and everything, the inflation, everything is just so expensive right now. So when I saw this, I was like, let me just give it a try. Though it's small, but it's better than nothing, right? So this is it here. It says it comes with USB wireless, portable height. Okay, it's portable and hands-free. So this is like rechargeable juicer. You just do, when you buy it, you plug it in. You don't need to plug it in to use it. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's rechargeable. So when it's down, you have to charge it again. It's not like the one you have to plug on and use. So this is it here. This is what you can do with it. Usage method, you use, I think for them to be putting orange, doesn't mean it's for only orange. But I've seen a video where they made other things with it, which we are going to also test it out today with some fruit. I have watermelon, orange, and pineapple here. So let's just unbox this and see what is inside. So this is and here it has the charging cable. Let's just set the box aside. So this is the user manual. Oh, you can do more with it. You can do this is watermelon, grape. Okay, so this is just the manual, and it comes with this thing for charging it. It's supposed to come with brush, but mine didn't come with any brush. That is like the one you use for washing it. No brush inside. So I bought this from Konga, by the way. When you buy this thing, make sure you charge it first before using it. So I've charged mine. It's fully charged. When you plug it in, it will be showing red lights here, but when it's full, the lights turns to white. I think it shows you that it's full. So let's just open this up and see. This is where the juice comes out from. This is the charging ports. This is the type C charging ports. This is the power button. Then this is, if you want to clean, you just bring this out. Let's open up this one first. This is how it is inside. Does it mean this one cannot come out? I've seen it come out. Let me see. Oh, there it is. So you can just, when you're done using it, you can just dismantle it, set this one aside, just clean this one with towel while you go wash this one out thoroughly. So this is it, guys. Let's quickly test this with the fruits I have, and let's see what we can get. So let me introduce the fruits I have with me here. Let's set this aside. I'm going to wash this and come back, but I have watermelon, I have 3 oranges, and I have pineapple. So let me quickly go rinse this, and we'll come back and start. Welcome back, guys. So just remember to cut your fruit in small sizes. So let's just set this aside. So we'll start with the orange. I'm supposed to have ginger here, but I couldn't get ginger. So let's just work with what we have. Ginger and lemon. This is like, I'm trying to make a tropical juice. This is what I have. Let's just do what I have. So let's start with the orange. So I have this thing here to get the juice out. Hope you can see this. Okay, a quick one. Press Press and hold the switch for 2 seconds to reset. Okay, put the fruits, rotate clockwise to fasten the upper cover. Okay, click the switch to start, wait for the juice, place cup under the juice. Okay, let's try that. So let's start with the orange. So it's locked now. You can put this aside. You can get this when we have juiced out something. Okay, let's you have to make sure that this thing is tight. So you see what it does there? It takes it up, squeeze it out well, and bring it down back. Let's see if it is okay. If not, we'll do it again. I think there's some juice there. Let's try one more time. The ones I've been watching, it clears out everything. Is it from the orange? Let's see. Let's try with another one and see. I hope I'm doing it well. Let me quickly look at the manual again to be sure. Okay, so what you do is that before you use it, the first time you press this for 2 seconds, press it down for 2 seconds to reset the machine. Then after doing that, don't put any fruits yet. You have to do that first before putting in your fruit. So after doing that, you just put your fruit in and press this button once and wait for it to juice out. So here we have just one orange. Let's see the second one, how, if it is. Oh, this is okay. So let's try another one now. Let's try another one. So you just press it down and let it do its thing. So it goes up, squeeze out the juice out, and comes down again. So let's see what we have. I think it's okay. If you feel the juice is not yet out, you can do it for the second time. But I feel this is okay. So let's just try this one last time. Then we'll continue behind the scene for the oranges, and we'll come back for other fruits. So just make sure this lid is tight and the down one too is tight. Should you juice out this one? Okay, let's bring this one out and see. So you just pull this up. Just pull it up from here. Wow, this is nice. This is just one orange. Okay, let's do this again. I charged this fully before using it, and I just juiced out just 2 oranges, and the battery is out already. See, it's giving me that sign. It's not even coming on again. The battery is out already. That means the battery does not last long. So let's just charge it and we'll come back again. Guys, it's over 1 hour of charging it. Man, is it the stress I'll be going through? Okay, let's just continue. So guys, welcome back. The battery died after juicing out just 2 oranges, so I recharged it again. It took about 1 hour to recharge it full again. So let's continue from where we stop and see how this actually works out. Okay, I cannot open it now because I just have to bring this down back. So this is all we could get from 3 oranges. So I'm just going to transfer it into this bigger jar while I juice out the rest. Battery is dead again. I'm charging. Wow, this is going to be a long. This is going to be a very stressful one. What? So guys, this is 3 days after I tried to make juice with this thing, and I put in the last orange and it stopped. I cannot open it again. I've tried all I can to open it. It is not opening. So this is just a waste, like a total waste. I don't know what else to do. It's stuck. I cannot open it. The orange just stuck inside, and even when I put it on, it's not working. Everything is just, so this is not value for money at all. I'm so disappointed. So let me know in the comment section if you have these products, and I don't think I will recommend this. It's not worth it at all. So I have to trash this now. God, and this thing costs 16,000 naira. I'm not happy at all.